Happy Monday, class, and welcome to Unit 4 of Term 3 here at Post. And I'm so excited. I can't believe that we are almost halfway through our course time together. So I hope that you've had a fantastic weekend. And I just wanted to come on and give you a little tips for this week and some encouragement as you head into midterms. I know that this is the time in every term that it gets a little bit harder. I think the weight of school starts settling in and the responsibilities, and sometimes we can lose our motivation. So I just wanted to keep you engaged and reminded that we are almost halfway through, that you can do it, and that I'm here to support you if you need anything at all. Please keep in mind that I'm available through text or email, so you can reach out to me if you have questions about our unit materials or just need help in any way. This week, we're going to be talking about learning styles and study strategies. So you'll be learning a little bit about how you learn best and also how to tailor your study strategies to your learning style. So this is a really helpful unit. It teaches you a lot about the ways that you learn and how you can capitalize on that as you continue on in your college degree program. So you will have the discussion board assignment due this week and the interactive exercises, and you'll also have the midterm exam. Your midterm exam is cumulative. That means it covers all the material from units 1 through 4. So if you missed any reading or you're behind on your reading, you might want to go back and review what you missed so that you're ready and prepared. Taking notes is also really a helpful way to keep track of what you've learned and what you are learning this week. So I encourage you all to get started on Monday right away with your readings and resources under that link for Unit 4. And we'll also be talking about Stephen Covey's habit number 2 this week, begin with the end in mind. Don't forget to watch that video and to read more about that habit. And I really look forward to hearing your comments and participation on the discussion board this week. We have a very engaging class, and I really enjoy reading what you have to say and your unique thoughts and perspectives. And I know that your classmates do as well. Let's make it an excellent week.